Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 111, 111 of the Back to the Future Delorean build. In this issue, we're starting the main sort of reactor assembly. What does it actually call it? The reactor platform for the Delorean, plus 3 reactor components, a pipe, and some fixing screws. So yes, the reactor platform, along with start building up the reactor area. So yeah, pretty easy. We've got 3 things to attach and a tube, and that will be that until next time when we add more to the platform. We're doing the platform for a few issues now. A chase through time. This is back to the ride again, isn't it? Yeah. Cool, interesting stuff about that. They've done all about the film, so they might as well do something else, and the ride is obviously a big thing. I don't think they're up to date enough to do the musical, but we'll find out. You never know. Hill Valley, the shootout at Hill Valley. Cool. Yeah. Very interesting stuff. So yes, next time, more reactor components. But that's next time. Now we're worrying about this time. So let's have a look at the parts we've got today. So the parts we've got: a big, nice, substantial metal plate in a sort of titanium-y colour. I like the colour of it. So onto this, we're going to be using 2 different types of screws. I'm not entirely certain why, but there's one part that needs 1 screw from the AP and 1 screw from the GP. So let's get the AP one out ready. Get the others out as well, because we're going to be using most of them. Let's see, what do I need? 2 for that, 1 for that, 2 for that, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4, I thought it was 5 for a second then. There we go. Right, so that's that ready to go. And we're going to be installing them onto here. So the first part is this, which goes in that corner there. As far as I'm aware, pretty much all of them have got a screw hole or 2 and at least 1 fixing post. So that goes in there, and this overhangs there by a bit. I'm sure that is correct. Nowhere else it can go, so that goes on there. This is using the GP screw. Get that through that hole there. That is nice and easy. Then we are adding the tube. So the tube goes between, it's over that post. That's easy. And the other post should be on this corner down there. So it just lays down there. It's obviously going to plug onto something else. So it'll be sort of like that, but we can't do much with that at the moment because obviously we've got other things to attach. So this is then going on there. Again, is there a peg and a post? There isn't. Which way around does this go? It goes that way round. It goes over the top of where that goes in. That's got to go down that way, and that goes over the top of it. That. Yeah, it's a fairly tight fit against this post, but it's obviously looking like it's going to be connected. That goes on there like that, and this is the one that needs the AP screw goes on this end of it for some reason. So we'll get that in place on there. I don't know exactly what the difference is between the AP and the GP. The AP is a little bit thinner. Not entirely certain why that needs to be a thing down here, but it what it says. So that's what we'll do. Get that in there like that, and the other GP on the other end, all the way along here. Like so. I believe that this cutout on the inside here, it's got to be for the illumination wire to come in and sit down. So yeah, that's that. Next up, we've got the other part we're building on the entire back wall today. This is going on that way round on there. This has already got a tube. goes down there. I don't have to do anything with the tube. It's not a tube, it's wires and a tube. You can sort of see it's just wires. You can see them going along in there. Fine. That goes on there. Oh, we've got the post there. Post, make sure it lines up, and the screw holes obviously line up in the little blocks as well. Just like that. And 2 more screws will hold that in place. And there we have another issue done. We've started the reactor base. So as I say, we've got quite a few issues to do on it. Well, you can see there's lots of pieces to add to it. So I don't know. I've been thinking from watching the film or films. I know there's stuff, but there's nothing there that I can really say, oh yeah, I remember that bit. Obviously, the main reactor thing, either the soda stream thing or the other bit. But other than that, bits around it, I have no actual memory of any particular items. So it will be interesting to build it up and see if anything comes to mind. But for now, that is that. I shall see you very soon for the next part. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.